Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Separate and Cypher's channel! Alright, so today we have the STYXOSAURUS from Chaos Theory. Okay, so we brought the Elasmosaurus from Dino Trackers and my custom hybrid STYXOSAURUS that I made a couple months ago. Here we go. Is it inspired from the STYXOSAURUS? I drilled holes here to copy, but this is the best I can do. This used to be like that Chapmay Elasmosaurus back then. I turned it into a STYXOSAURUS. So here we go. The fins or spiky, say whatever, are made of clay. Mostly clay. I chop off the head and turn it upside down. I inverted it. It's a repaint again. It's been damaged right there. Alright, so this is the tail of an epic evolution Triceratops. Alright guys. You can still move that. I think no, it doesn't move anymore. I think I got stuck now. But yeah, anyways. Alright, let's put this aside. Okay. And this is the Elasmosaurus from Dino Trackers. It doesn't have a sound because it is a gigantic tracker. Most gigantic trackers from Mattel, they don't give sounds in them. So you just push the button, it turns left, and opens up the mouth. If you push the other button, it goes down, like that. There you go. Okay. Now here's our Chaos Theory Jurassic World STYXOSAURUS. I unveiled this like a couple of days ago from the Hammond Collection Allosaurus. So we're gonna unbox it now. Alright, first things first, check the box. So we don't have the Suchomimus yet. I still can't find this. Okay. So obviously it says gigantic trackers again, so that means there's no sound. Like there's no sound icon right here. But anyways, let's check it out. We're gonna unbox it now. Sorry for the long wait. I was feeling it making a video. Alright guys. Okay, now it's unboxed. STYXOSAURUS. You will see the difference on the Elasmosaurus. So here it is. Really nice. Look at that. Nice teeth. This is even better than the Elasmosaurus now. Look at this tattered sail right there. Nice holes. Very nice. I love it. Made of plastic. It's soft. Oh yeah, you move the tail. It starts... Look at that. So if you push it up, it goes down. The head goes down. If you turn it left and right, the sail moves. Why just one? Oh, there you go. So there. See, there you go. It's like flapping its flippers, like a sea turtle. The one on the back doesn't move automatically. Just the left, just the front. There you go. All right, we're gonna compare it to my custom hybrid now. So it's got battle damages right there. And there's the battle damage too. There you go. Okay, so here's my custom hybrid. So I got two STYXOSAURUS now, completely looking different. So the color here, the teal looks a little darker. Mine was a little lighter. Okay. There you have it. Obviously the original is way better. The one from Mattel. Definitely a better face as well. Okay, there you go. We'll do the front. So I got two STYXOSAURUS now. What do you guys think? I see, it's what it looks like. Okay, so obviously mine is bigger because it has a bigger body. The base is bigger. There you go. Okay, we'll check the DNA scan. There you have it for you guys. Now we're gonna go to the Elasmosaurus. I think the Elasmosaurus has a bigger body. Yeah, than the STYXOSAURUS. But I'm feeling the flippers is way better. Looks better than the Elasmosaurus. Almost the length is... Actually, the Elasmosaurus is still bigger. The flippers are still bigger. Okay, now to the mouth. It is painted actually. It's painted. This one's not. You can tell it's totally separate. Look at that. It's like another layer. It started from the Epic evolution until now, so they did a good job here. Yep, looking good. Let's check it out. What's the difference? See that? Totally different. STYXOSAURUS had longer teeth and more teeth actually. They could have improved this Elasmosaurus. Maybe another variant one day. They could change it. They didn't paint the upper gum right there. It's still blue. Or light blue. But at least here they change it. Real gums. Pinkish. Okay guys. So yeah, it is a nice feel. You touch it. Rubbery right here. Very nice. Longer tail. A totally different tail. The Elasmosaurus is shorter and smaller. The length is like shorter. Meanwhile, the STYXOSAURUS has a longer length. The tail is longer. So yeah, there you have it for today, guys. Our STYXOSAURUS video. Nice, one of my favorites now. Looking good. Let's see the bottom of this. Oh, I forgot to paint the bottom. I see. It's all different here. I see. Okay, might as well change that. Okay. I'll probably do a repaint on this, my custom hybrid STYXOSAURUS. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video, and I'm gonna finish my Apex today. I'm just gonna give some battle damage on it, then paint it. Okay, stay tuned, and that's right. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great week now. Okay. We'll see you again in the next few days. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Happy holidays.